Welcome to Navya Markets. As a part of investors empowerment, we have taken this initiative of promoting a world-class technical software which is developed for Indian stock market traders. Making money in market is not so easy in equities and commodities, but it is possible for someone who trade with knowledge and discipline. With this note, we would like to give you a small demo about our technical software which has a lot of features and which enables a lot of day traders to be disciplined in the market. Okay, let me give you an idea about the software in two parts. Number one, which we can get some information from this, and number two, there are a lot of tools which can help you to take trading decisions. Okay, when it comes to informations, what sort of informations do we need? Okay, number one, we may need when it comes to markets, we all actually interested on the people who are so powerful, was none other than the FIS. Okay, if you take this, you get to know daily information about how much FIS are bought and sold. So with this, you can have one thing in your mind, that FIS have a positive correlation in the market. So whenever FIS buys, equity market generally tends to go up. So if a person who understands the correlation of FIS and DII when it comes to equity market, very well you can use this information to take your trading decisions. And number two, we can actually get a bulk and block deals. This is nothing but if anyone who makes big amount of trades, which is over 5 lakhs in units or 5 crores in a single tick, okay, then they have to disclose the company name and who bought it, all these things into the NSE, which will be in turn disclosed to the people. So we get to know in which company all these activities are there, and you have this information and you can take it from the historical. So if I want this information from 18th to 26th December, you can take it from 18th to about 24th and press get. You get to know the companies, and you can take all this data to Excel and you can start calculating your activities. And apart from that, for people who do indices, we have a vast set of indicator which can do the in the index oriented analysis. Okay, number one, you can go to the views, you get to know about the complete information about the index, what they're actually doing for the particular day. And if you want all this data along with the support and resistance, there is a one small click above this, you get to know the support resistance of all the index. So when one particular day, if some index is dominating the market, then you can actually use these levels to trade onto it. But all this are just an informative purpose, and we can't miss out the world markets when it comes to day trading and short-term trading. All the markets are interrelated, and it's all about the sentiments. We advise people to track the world market, and sometimes it has highly correlated. So Indian market opens when there is an Asian market is about to settle, and we by the mid of our market, European markets start opening. Then by the end of ours, there will be European market start settling the trades. And apart from that, you have on the bottom of last 4 things, if there is any business news, if there is any announcement from the company, see, so you get to know all these things. Okay, but if there is anything about a company specific news, you get to know the symbol which is left to the symbol name. So if you see HDFC today, there is some news related to the HDFC, but we don't encourage any rumors. We encourage any news which has been reported to the NSE. So then you get to know there is a symbol associated. Okay, apart from this looks like a trading terminal, but you cannot buy and sell using this same trading terminal. This is only a dedicated research platform. Okay, now we're going to explain you about the workspace here. There is about a smart workspace. Okay, it's just not about appearance, how it works. In a smart workspace, you have the market watch, the below to which the support resistance. So if you click on any stocks, on the bottom of it you could see the support resistance, and the very famous thing in the market is about the market depth, that you get to know here in the middle of things, and every tick by tick trades will be visible on the right hand side of the bottom. And we have the other, which is so interesting, and for someone who are very good at charts, can use standard with charts. So here you are getting about a charts. So if you click on any particular company, the charts will be available at the right hand side bottom. But we recommend started with FNO for someone who trade in futures and options, because if you click on any particular stock, the future and the options will be linked. So if you click okay BHEL, you get to know BHEL futures and options. So this is very much helpful for someone who do a very active jobbing or intraday trading. And one great thing is even you can create your own watch list. So if you click on create workspace, it will come like this. But if you want, okay, I just want one market watch, I just want market breadth, I want to know about market dynamics, okay, and I want to know about unusual volumes. So all these tools I'm gonna explain you about in another 5 minutes. And if you want to know about the support resistance, okay, and if you want to know about the charts, you can keep all these things and you can save your workspace as okay, let me save as demo workspace. So this way, okay. So next time if you go, and you can go to your custom workspace and you can apply the demo workspace, this will come, and you can add your own stocks which you wanted to have. So I just want to select this, I want only Nifty stocks. No, I just want Nifty, but I just want only IT stocks. So you get to know only IT stocks, okay, financial technology, Exaver, Infosys, Emphasis, Oracle Finance. This is about a user interface, okay, and you can create your own watch list. So if you track very few stocks, you can create watch list, like you go to create and you can type here and you can create your own watch list, okay. Let me quickly get into the analysis part. That is where you and me had today for this, okay. There's a lot of tools here. No, you can find stocks which is breaking highs and lows, and you have a tools which will gonna point you the unusual volume. You have a tool which can help you to screen the charts which has formed any candlesticks patterns. But why I'm here today is to explain you how we can use this for a trading model. Okay, let me take you the first trading model, which is more of intraday. So what we have to do is, first we have to go to the market breadth, okay. So when you open this, if you do this by around 10:15 to 10:30, you can start doing this activity, and by in one side you can understand is a green or red or yellow which is so high. And by the way, you can most of the time you can notice it is about 50-50, then it means it is not the ideal time to take trading decisions. But if you see a clear green domination, then I can recommend you to go only for long side for the particular day, and if it becomes a red, then you can go for a short side. So it is very pretty clear, very simple to take decisions using this. So this can help you out in understanding the markets. The moment you complete the market activity, and you can do one more thing while you cross check, you can check out the turnover here. Look at this percentage to take a trading decisions. The moment you complete all this thing, go to tools, go to index meter and make it big. Identify which of the bar is supporting the market direction. Say if market is so positive, I'm saying market is positive because the market breadth was positive, it was full of green. So I look forward some green which is gained the most. So I should see something like this to take a trading decision, but which gained the most. But I generally ignore India VIX, which is a volatility index which comes last of the bars. So then I would probably take a decision on metal. But if you see today's scenario, it is most of red. So for me, I look something in reality. So today my trading idea would be I should go short, and I should go short something in reality. The moment I complete this, I have to identify the stock. So how do I do that? I go to the market meter. In this market meter, CNX Nifty percentage change, but here you have to go and check out your reality sector and identify the stock which has fallen the most, which is none other than DLF. So DLF is the wise stock to go short, okay. So the one click onto it, you get into the complete information. What was the trading volume, what is the open, high, low, close, what is the 52-week high, low, close. Just a matter of one click you can get it. The beautiful thing is you can actually go to the charts, and actually you can press H, then it becomes an historical chart. So the moment we get about the historical charts, okay, so I hope a lot of you must be aware about the trading through technicals all about using the charts, okay. But this has a lot information more than a charts, but when it comes to charts we have an excellent platform. So you can get about anything from, if you want about a 2 years information, still you can get 2 years information from the historical, like you could see from here. Okay, I just want a daily charts. I would like to apply some indicator. Okay, say I would like to apply the relative strength index. Relative strength index, I am gonna apply this. Okay, then I would like to zoom this. Okay, so I see this relative strength index which is taking multiple tops here, and by the way market is also taking a market is facing actually a multiple resistance at this level. So what do I really gonna do? Whenever this RSI comes, it tends to come up to 50 levels. So I could see there is a furthermore space to fall, and there is something a moving average which comes around 162 levels. So by tomorrow we can expect the market to correct around 162 levels. So this is probably your expectation. So if it happens on the real day intraday basis, so you can expect the weakness to continue towards 162. On the same basis you have to trade. So you can actually go and sell, but you need to know about the exit levels on both the targets as well as your stop loss. How do you get it? There is a icon here, show resistance levels. Click onto it. Okay, remove your patterns here, box. Okay, if you see the price goes below the red level, it is nothing but a weakness, and you are looking for a shorting opportunity in the stock, so it is ideally to go short. And you can keep the next above level as your stop loss, and you can expect any below levels. This could be the recent bottom, this could be the recent moving average, this could be your previous bottoms, this could be either of three. Okay, you can create this. If you have any meaningful targets from here, you can actually enter the trade. So this is one way of trading intraday, and this is not something new, but this is very much used by a lot of market participants. And what we have taken an initiative, we make sure that this is available to even retail traders, and which can be beneficial to a lot of people. Okay, apart from that, what are the other things are there? Okay, let me take you the workspace with standard with scanner. Okay, see, if you take the workspace standard with scanner, in a real time, if any stock is making new lows and new highs, you will be intimated. So this will go in a scrolling like this. So here it is gonna mark, okay, by this is making new highs and this is low. So now HDFC making new high and Coal India is making new high. So immediately what you can do, okay, go to Coal India and look at the charts, what they are exactly doing. It seems to be clear movement from the bottom. So this is one of the trading bet which we can actually look forward, and the pattern is very much indicating this accumulation pattern. If you see, there is a strong bounce, it is witnessed from 280 levels. This stock has a potential to go up to 296. So but identifying the stock by scanning the chart is very difficult, but this is possible if you have a system like this which can help you out identifying the highs and lows. So BHEL is making new highs, so you get to know, okay, what's happening in the market on any real-time basis. And likewise, any technical traders would be interested in identifying the high-low breaks, previous day high-low breaks, moving average breakouts. This can be very well, you can get it from Trend Scanner. If you remove this heights, you get to know, okay, if it crossing above the previous day highs and lows, any moving average, you will be intimated. You can set this indication. Likewise, on the live scanner, if you unhide this, you can keep it for 1 week high, 1 week lows, 1 month. All these indicators can be defined here. And we have a dedicated session about this working tool. If you are interested, you can actually contact Anavia Markets for a one-to-one training program. And what you have to do is, this is an FNO corner where this will be highly used by the FNO people. Okay, there are a lot of indicators, especially the rollover. the arbitrages are keen interested in getting the spreads between the spot and the near or future. So in one click you can actually scan that. So if you're interested in top 100 company, okay, apply that and you get to know, okay, what's the spread between the companies. So if you one click, I see the Tata Power which is having about a 6% arbitrage profit. That is a reverse arbitrage profit because spot is trading at 88, but the near month contract is trading at 89. The next month contract is trading 95. So if you buy this next near and next, you get about a 6%. So there's an about a arbitrage gain. So if you apply Nifty, and Nifty is something where you don't have the impact cost, so I recommend people to have about this Nifty, and you can start working on this. Has become so meaningful. Coal India is clearly there is an arbitrage gain because in spot it is trading 289 and in future it is trading 291. So people who wanted to, the next month it is trading at 285. And we have an option calculator. The people who use theoretical trading can apply your models, the Black-Scholes model, which you can actually take it from the rates and you can start applying what is the strike rate which you would like to put on. If you press calculate, you get to know about things. So if your strike price is okay, take the derivatives from here and you can apply the strike rates about the 12,000. The strike underlying price is 11,376. Strike price is 11,000 and interest rate is okay about 8%. That's about, we have 25 days to go, and volatility is about 25% and dividend rate is, so if you calculate this you get to know what is the exact value when it comes to call option and put option price. Delta and what is the things when it comes to call option, put option, all these things you can take it from here. And if you need any more information about this, you're most welcome to contact our research department or a client service department, and we are here to help you out with any trading techniques, and you can create a lot of trading techniques using this. We have seen a lot of our traders are using it. So if you want to buy this, we give this as a demo for about 7 days. Okay, just you have to be a client and to get all this benefit. For more you can contact Navya Markets, and our contact number is 044 and 044 it's 39427575, and you can write us to research@Navya Markets. Otherwise you can send email to client service@naviamarkets.com. Thank you. Happy trading.